What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to install the Google Drive app on macOS. Currently, there is no straightforward way to install the Google Drive app natively through the App Store. However, you can create a web app that allows you to launch Google Drive in your browser by clicking on an icon in your dock. The easiest way to create this Google Drive app is through the Safari browser. Open Safari and go to drive.google.com. Once on the Google Drive page, go to File, Add to Dock. Change the name to Google Drive and click on Add. This simple trick instantly creates a new Google Drive shortcut in your dock. If you prefer to access Google Drive from your desktop rather than the dock, ensure Safari is selected. Then go to File, Save As. Rename the page source to Google Drive and save the file to your Mac's desktop. The icon might not look like the original Google Drive icon. There's a quick workaround to change the icon of a web app or page source file. Find the original Google Drive icon online, for example at macosicons.com. Search for Google Drive and download your preferred icon version. Once the file is downloaded, open Finder and go to the Recents or Downloads folder to locate the file. To change the icon in your dock, right-click the Google Drive icon in the dock and go to Options, Show in Finder. A second Finder window will open. Right-click the Google Drive application again and select Get Info. Drag and drop the downloaded Google Drive icon into the icon section of the Get Info window. You may need to restart your Mac for the changes to take effect in your dock. To change the icon for the desktop shortcut, right-click the file and select Get Info. Drag and drop the new icon onto the original icon in the Get Info window. You can also rename it from here. When you open this file, Google Drive will launch in your preferred browser, maintaining any saved passwords and cookies. If you prefer using Google Chrome or another browser, head back to drive.google.com and navigate to File, Save Page As. Rename it to Google Drive and save it. Follow the same steps to change the icon for easy access. This method also works for other websites like Gmail or YouTube. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.